U.S. stocks seem to be in a holding pattern today, staying flat in the big lead up to earnings results that came out after the closing bell. Courtney Donohoe has all the latest from the New York Stock Exchange. Courtney.
Hey there, Pimm. A lot of back and forth on Wall Street in the session, but a mixed close for stocks, most finishing lower. 3M cut its profit forecast. That pulled those industrial stocks lower. The Scotch tape and Post-it makers saying pension expenses will be higher next year. And Apple also falling, and the reason's Motorola's third quarter earnings topping estimates. The company's focus on Android, that's paying off. And this year, Android passed the iPhone to become the most popular smartphone. So software is catching on stronger and stronger. Not so good news for the iPhone. But we did see stocks higher, though, earlier in the session. Drop in jobless claims giving stocks an early lift, unexpectedly falling last week to the lowest level in 3 months, and maybe a sign of stabilization in the labor market. And we did have a few positive earnings results. Exxon posting its largest third quarter profit gain in 6 years. Barclays says cars, airlines, railroads, they're burning fuel at a rate of 1 supertanker load every 33 minutes this year. That's a more than 2% increase. And Symantec also jumping today, the computer security software maker forecasting higher sales than some analysts expected. Security software sales, it's recovering from earlier this year. And that's when so many companies, they were tightening their budgets because of the economic slowdown, Pimm.
Now, Courtney, it seems that Black Friday, the big shopping day after Thanksgiving, is going to be coming a little bit earlier this year.
Yeah, the discount shopping event arriving ahead of Halloween this year. New York Times says we're going to see more promotions beginning this week and others through November. And we'll see it at the major retailers like Toys R Us, Walmart, Target, Sears. For example, over at Toys R Us, expect to find all the toys in the 80-page Christmas toy book on sale. Well, retailers, they're sensing that they need those big sales to bring in customers. In fact, Consumer Reports, they released a poll on holiday spending earlier this morning, and 1 in 3 plan on cutting back on spending. But, Pimm, here's the stat that's really disturbing. 13.6 million Americans still carry debt from last season's shopping. Unbelievable.
They still carrying that debt from last season's shopping. That's
yes.
amazing. All right,
Unreal.
Thank you very much. Courtney Donohoe reporting from the New York Stock Exchange.